Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Powered by Shopify from your store. It's pretty easy, but you need to focus a bit on this one. So let's log in into your account at shopify.com and log in as an admin, of course. Then we want to focus on online store and go to themes. Right now I'm using the craft, which is a current theme. I'm gonna click on those three little dots and use edit default theme content. Right now we are going to write down powered, and you see here Powered by Shopify. We just hit a spacebar. That's it, and save it. Theme content updated. It's really important for you to actually basically delete the Powered by Shopify and just press spacebar once. So it will show you like that. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.